Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use sound equalizer of your Harman Kardon Fly ANC headphones. So first of all, select them from the application and then click right here on this arrow to turn on the ANC. As you can see, there it is, turned off currently, but to pick any of the presets, for example jazz, bass or the vocal, just click right here. And right now it's turned on. You can also create your own preset by tapping on the plus. You can move these knobs. You can give it name. Click here to confirm. And as you can see, there we can find it. When you click on this arrow, you can just go back from the equalizer options. When you click and hold it, take a look. You can move it to the trash and you can get rid of that. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.